Welcome to the Illuminator Getting Started series. This video is on using a D4 simulator. If you don't have a D4, you can use a simulator. And then we'll add a workspace, a site to the workspace and run some carriers through that simulator and be able to see that update on the dashboard. So if you go to the installation directory, you'll notice that there's a D4 sim directory. So if you change into that, you will be able to see the content of the simulator directory. So for this case, there was 3 scripts for one for each city, and there's a configuration file. So we'll look at the content of the London site, and you can see that it's running just a Java application on a jar, and it's using the London config. So let's just take a look at that. And all we really need to worry about is that you can see that it's using port 6667. So that's what we'll use. Okay, so let's just start up the simulator. And to do that, we'll just run the start sim London, and then when we run the GUI, we'll be using 6667 as the port number for London. Okay, so here we go. So we're starting up, and the web server starting up, and we're ready to go. Now what we'll do is we'll go back into this directory here, and we'll add a site. So you're going up to the top, and we'll call this site London. Remote IP address here is localhost, because we're running on the same machine for now. And the port is 6667. And we'll pick a different carrier file here. So we'll go with 8 carriers, and we'll add that in. So we can see down here we've got 8 carriers, and we'll add those all to the dashboard. And we'll change up the number of columns to make it a little bit nicer on the eyes. So here we go, we've got 8 carriers ready in place. The site hasn't been started yet, and the ping timer will go off, and you can see that we've got ping connection. So we're ready to go. So we'll start this. We can do a quick test on the test round trip connection, and we're good there. So that's excellent. And then we'll start carrier monitoring on the simulator, and you can see these ones are all failing. So they're doing 1 a second. So it's just a rough idea as to how it works. And so now we have 2 sites, one D4 site, which is a real decimator, whereas the other site, London, is running a simulated version. So hopefully you enjoyed that video. We'll go into a little bit more detail and look at some of the extra features inside of the Illuminator, but that should get you started up and running at this point. So we'll see you later. Thank you.